best application out there to watch Jamaican news. The easiest application here to watch news, sports, anything within Jamaica. So I'll be reviewing it to show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to understand, very straightforward and everything. So what I'll be going through is the home screen. As you can see here, you have the live channels. These are all the live channels available on this application here. You have some other live channels that are out there, but these are the ones that are available. So here you have CVM, which is CVM, and you have CVM Sports. You have JNN Live. So quite a lot of lives. Also down here you have updates within the media, like news stuff from different news sources. You have other news from different podcasts and so forth. So very good applications and updates from time to time. It doesn't just stay like these four here. You can see the updates from time to time. So you'll see different updates on different events that happen within Jamaica. So if I tap on the live news for Jamaica here, it pretty much will take a while to load to make sure I have internet connection. So as you can see here, these are just some movies and what's coming up for the news for Jamaica. As you can see here, prime time news, sports and weather. So you can check in them time there. Let's say the thing is 8 to 8:30 or 7 to 7:30. So you can check in those times to catch the news for Jamaica on TVJ. And you have other channels as well that do live channels. Since here you have the other ones, all you gotta do is just tap on them and you will get the live news. So these are the other ones as well. You have the Radio Jamaica, 106 and so forth. So all you gotta do is just tap on them. Once you tap on them, you'll see what is playing right now. As you can see for this year. So let me see. So you have for TVJ, you have some movies that's going to be playing from that time to that time. I can also see the time that it will be playing. So if you want to fix the time, as we call it, our army time, from 24-hour time to the normal, you know what I mean. So I'm going to go over here and go in the settings option real quick. So let me go and then you get up on this person icon here. Once you tap on the person icon, you get up on the settings option or the edit profile. Well, not to mention, you have to set it up before when you're signing in or creating an account. You have to set it up that time. So sorry about that, guys. But anyways, as you can see, that's pretty much it for the application. You have the search option. You can search for, let's say, different channels out there. And that's really pretty much it. And this is just the home screen, nothing much. You don't have any other channels. Here you have the pay to view. Like, for example, you have the national championship or the junior sports. Pretty much when it's going on, you have to pay to view it. Probably for the season, let's say for the whole season, you have to pay $5 to watch it when you want. So that's just pretty much it. And you have some other championships that goes on. Yeah, so not too much for that. The video in demand option as well. Here you can see different radio channels, I would say, that that talks and so forth. Nothing much for that. You can just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can go through the series that they have, as you can see here. But you pretty much have to pay for each series or each episode. So do keep that in mind. And the subscription option here, you get more access, more live channels. As I said before, you have way more live TVJ channels in Jamaica, which can be also added, but it's limited because you don't have a subscription. So I don't have a subscription. But down here you can see the subscription prices. Well, the prices are not showing properly, but I think this one here is for $9.99 and $4.99 and $2.99, and the 1 month subscription is for $9.99. So it's not that expensive. I would say it's not that expensive, but it's a good application. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, you have any questions, comment below. And I love the upload, guys. And remember, so guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, either official bro. See you guys in the next tutorial.